Quelles sont les chapes qui habitent les grands quartiers? Quels beaux minets ont le plus long pédigré?
Hey babe, good morning. Good morning, baby.
All right, where are we headed?
Paris!
Paris?
Naturellement, les aristocates, ils sont toujours, même quand ils font un petit tour, toujours précieux là où ils vont. Ils sont fiers de leur éducation.
All right, we're here in Paris, and there looks like some street performers. All right, what's Theo think?
Ice cream!
Ice cream?
Hi.
Hey.
Mais naturellement, les aristocates.
So, guys, this is me, Gaming Tiger, and we're in Paris. Do I see a Ferris wheel? It's over there. You guys can't really see it. It's not on the camera. So we're in like a little maze kind of thing, so we're not in our hotel because we are gonna go to our hotel later. So hey guys, it's me, Game Tiger, and family, and we're in Paris, just looking around, and yeah. So, Mom and Gaming Barfly are over there. Let's see, Game Bear, Merrick. Let's see. Just walking over here to the stand called Home. On the camera, it's quite weird, but you might see it when we're there. Right now, walking outside. Not in our hotel yet, guys. Just looking around. Well, first adventure, and next episode, we're in Disney. Hey guys, it's me, Game Tiger, and family. We are in Paris, and we're just looking around because we're not in our hotel. We just want to adventure. So I hope you enjoy. Game Bear, say hi. 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 Just waiting, right? Just waiting. Are we waiting, Theo? Are we waiting? Are we waiting? Hi guys, this is me, Game Tiger, and the whole family. We're in Paris, and we're going to just adventure. We're not in our hotel yet. Anyways, the next episode, we're going Disney. So here we go. Game Bear, Game Bear, what? Game Bear. Are you excited? Yeah. Right now we're going to the art museum.
Let's get a tap.
I didn't know how to do it. Here.
Oops, sorry.
What?
In Gaming Tiger's videos, we want these real names.
What are you gonna do? Go to the Louvre! Do.
Come on, your cat.
Aristocates, ils sont toujours, même quand ils font un peu...
Hey, don't kick up all the dirt, Meerkat. Merrick. Meerkat? Merrick. Merrick.
It's half meerkat, half man.
Oh. You pointing at the butts?
Where's the map?
And boobs.
What'd you see, Theo? What'd you see?
A nice one naked butt.
A nice
I
naked butt?
lost the map and then I...
Quelles sont les chapes qui habitent les grands quartiers? Quels beaux minets ont le plus long pédigré? Quelle chouche
Hi, Ben.
hélas, naturellement, les aristocates. Quels doux mimis ont des profils de
Hi, Harry.
Quel chat trésor
Careful.
savent se tenir dans le grand monde.
Hi, baby.
Très gourmet, refusant les ersatz, et naturellement, les Aristocates, ils sont toujours, même quand ils font un petit tour, toujours précieux là où ils vont, ils sont fiers de leur éducation, dédaignant les ruelles, ils préfèrent les bars aux poubelles, dont se contentent trop vulgaires les chats de gouttière. Oh, wow, quel miaou, répondent les gros.
Go ahead, Finn.
Quel chat chouchou.
Push.
C'est style.
Push! Watch fingers. You gotta turn on a light. Come on. Go on in.
This is my bed. This was a house will be the smallest house in the world.
It's okay. No lights. Very dark. Come on. Hey. Come on in.
Does it have
Go on in.
big?